3 dots and a dash. This cocktail is not named after a celebrity's nepo baby or your conspiracy theorist neighbour in his garden shed trying to break Illuminati codes. This cocktail has links to the military and was a creation of the Tiki legend Don the Beachcomber, who in my opinion is one of the most interesting characters in the cocktail world. Ingredient lineup. There is a lot going on here. We're going to start off with a Martinique Rhum Agricole. I've gone for the Clement VSOP version, a blended Jamaican rum, Appleton Estate 8 year, Velvet Falernum, Pimento Dram, honey syrup, fresh lime and orange juice, and lastly Angostura bitters. This is going to be a busy drink, but it's well worth the effort. Let's kick this one off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of our Rhum Agricole. Follow this up with 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of our Jamaican rum. Add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of honey syrup. 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of Falernum. We add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of Allspice Dram. 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lime juice. And lastly add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh orange juice. This drink is usually flash blended, but I'm going to be shaking this one for around 15 seconds because a lot of my equipment is packed away at the moment. This drink was created by Don the Beachcomber, who was a lieutenant colonel in the US Air Force during World War II. He was injured by a U-boat attack, which he received the Purple Heart for, and part of his role was setting up rest and recreation centres for the Air Force all over the Mediterranean region, serving up cocktails. 3 dots and a dash is Morse Code for letter V, which is short for victory. Going to double strain this over pebble or crushed ice. Top this off with some more ice. Firstly going to garnish with 2 pineapple leaves. The rest of the garnish is quite unique. We're going to garnish with a rectangular pineapple to symbolise a dash and 3 cherries to symbolise the dots. The taste test. Don's gone and done it again with another top tier drink. The complexities of the rum. There's a warming spice which works excellently with the sourness. The perfect amount of sweetness, which is complemented by the rums. Also picking up on a bit of a banana hint towards the end. So I'd admit I'm becoming a bit of a Don Beach fanboy. Another excellent drink. It's got to be a 9.2 out of 10 for me.